Hi, you are welcome to my channel. In today's Microsoft Word tutorials, we are going to learn how to convert a web page into a Word document. This operation can be done by using an online software to convert a web page into your Word document, or you can manually copy your text and image within the web page and paste it into your Word document. But in today's video, I'm going to make it very simple and also how to easily convert such web page into your Word document. Now, to do this, you have to open a web page of your choice, and on this tab I have this web page open, and the information within this web page is about the top reasons to switch to the new Microsoft Edge. And looking through this web page, I am very interested with it and I want to have this web page in my Word document. And as I am scrolling, you can see I have some videos, text, images which I want to have in my Word document so that I can make some editing and formatting to this Word document, save it as a PDF. Also, I can share this information with friends and colleagues so that we can have this as a permanent information on our computer system. So these are the information within this web page, and as you can see, so now how can we convert this web page into a Word document? Now, to do this, hold the Alt key plus D on the keyboard, and this is going to select the link address in this address bar. Therefore, I can hold Ctrl plus C on the keyboard. Alternatively, you can click in the address bar to select the text, then you right click and choose copy from the options. Now that we have this copied into our computer clipboard, let's minimize this window, and we have this Microsoft Word document open. Now the next thing to do is to click on File, and when you click on File, you select Open. You can also use your keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus O on the keyboard, and this will jump you to the backstage view where the Open command is selected. Now in this interface, let's select Browse, and you are going to have this beautiful dialog box, and on the title bar we have this Open, meaning this is the Open command dialog box. Now when you come below this dialog box, we have a file name here, and you can see that we have a cursor blinking in the file name field. Therefore, we are going to paste the link address we copied from the web browser into this field. So you can select, right click and choose Paste. You can also use your keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus V on the keyboard. Then you click on Open, and this is going to load the web page into our Word document. Now we have this link codes in our web page. When you scroll, you can see that we have this text here. This is the text that was found in the starting page. So when you scroll, we have this text, as you can see, and we can see the images and also the videos are not displayed. Therefore, we are going to configure some settings so that we can have our images also fully shown. So the next thing that you do is to click on File, then you choose Save As, and it gives you this option that says saving is disabled in protected view. If you trust the source of this file and would like to save, click Enable, then you click on Enable Saving, and this is going to contact the server to pull out all the items in this Word document. Now we have this Save As dialog box, and it says file name, and the Save As type is web page. Therefore, we are going to change the web page to a Word document. And now let's click on Save. It says the file blocks windows already exist. Do you want to replace? I have already saved this file and it is asking for a replacement, and I'm going to click on OK. But if you are having this operation for the first time, it will automatically save it at once for you. So I'm going to click on OK. Then I get this Microsoft Word compatibility checker. It says some of the features in this document are not supported by web browsers. link style sheets are only supported in web format files. By saving this to this format, all links to style sheets will be lost. And I agree to this compatibility option. Therefore, I'm going to click on continue. Now let's scroll and see if you have our text and images. Now you can see I have all these, and as you can see, normally in web pages they often look like a landscape mode. Therefore, I'm going to change the layout of this Word document. So let's click on layouts, and in the page setup group, let's click on orientation and choose landscape. Now the next thing I'm going to do is all the links in this Word document, I'm going to delete them. Now we select this line, then we hold the control key and the shift key and the home key together to select everything. Then you press the delete key on the keyboard. You can also delete these ones. So we are making editing to this web page. So we have the dates, we have the topic, which is the top 10 reasons to switch to the new Microsoft Edge, and I can make changes to this text, selecting, going to the home tab. I can increase the size. I can also change the font color, and also I can underline this by applying the border. And you can see I have edited and also formatted this text, and I can do the same thing to the remaining text. I can select all these and hit the delete key, and when I scroll, I have some images here, and this is what I'm going to do. This image cannot be moved. When it click and drag, this image cannot be moved. Therefore, we are going to use an option known as wrap text in Microsoft Word. So this is what we do. When you select the image, on the menu bar, we have these tabs here, and you can see that we have picture format. Let's have a once click on it, and you are going to see this wrap text in the arrange group. So you click on the drop down arrow, and let's choose top and bottom. Now this will allow us to move this image by dragging, and you can see that I am dragging. I can also resize the image and position it very well in my Word document. So now when I scroll, you can see I have this image properly positioned, and all these links you can also go through and delete them. You can select, hold your control key and select these ones and hit the delete key. Now you can see that I am applying formatting and editing to this web page. So after pulling this web page into your Word document, you have so many options which can help you to edit this Word document. Now I have this as my Word document. Let's go to the print preview and see how this will look like when printed on a paper. So let's go to file and choose print. Let's move to page 1. So this is page 1, page 2, 3, 4, 5, and as you can see, this is the print preview of this web page. Now if I am satisfied with this web page after going through and having all the necessary editing and formatting, I can print this on paper. And if I want to have this as a PDF and share it among people, or also have this Word document shared, go to file and also choose save as and browse this to have the dialog box, and I'm going to maintain the name and choose this save as type and select PDF, and let me choose the desktop and click on save, and this is going to convert this Word document into a PDF format. Now let's minimize this, and when I move to my desktop, you can see I have this icon, and that is going to open, and this is the PDF form of the Word documents we just created. So now beautifully we have this PDF which looks very properly organized. We have our text, our images, and this is very simple to do. So this is how to convert a web page into a Word document. Hope this video was helpful. Please give it a like and also have your comments in the comment section, and I'll have time to reply as well. And see you in the next tutorials.